When he's in his Jeep, Troy Green can seem invincible, able to climb almost any mountain in front of him. But in his 30s, Troy had surgery for esophageal cancer and began an uphill climb more difficult than any he's seen behind the wheel.
I thought we were in the clear because there was no evidence of cancer in my lymph nodes, but upon my first CT scan after surgery, they found some spots in my lungs that they were concerned with.
Had he been diagnosed 20 years earlier or 20 years later, Troy's chances of survival would have been higher. But Troy is in an age group between 15 and 39 that has some cancer researchers baffled.
Clearly, this group is caught in the middle. They both, in terms of diagnosis and prognosis, there hasn't been a lot of progress.
Mike Caligieri is both a doctor and a researcher at Ohio State's James Cancer Hospital. He says one of the reasons patients between 15 and 39 don't do as well with cancer is because they're not studied as often. If you look at cancer in the lab, it's different between a 10-year-old, a 20-year-old, or a 50-year-old. The problem is young kids and older adults volunteer for research projects in large numbers. That group in the middle doesn't, and experts say that has to change.
Because in the end, we're going to be at the same place we were 10 years ago if we don't put this group of kids and this group of young adults on clinical trials.
Troy signed up for a clinical trial and is now taking 2 different experimental drugs, hoping they will help researchers forge new trails when it comes to treating others his age in the future. At the James Cancer Hospital at Ohio State University, this is Clark Powell reporting.